Hey guys, just want to give you a quick unboxing video of a new part that I'm ready to put on my bike. Pretty stoked for. It's the monoshock from Big Bear Performance. Just want to go over what you get in the box. I couldn't get it together, but on the top, you're going to get your manual. It's very detailed, a lot of information about the shock, what's going on with it, details, specs. Going to give you pretty much everything you need to know about it. Setting up your preload, sag, basically the function of the shock period, dampening, length adjustment, rebound. You're also going to get your specs on the shock as well, your spring rate, rebound, etc., and also your card for service intervals as needed. Couldn't get the box back together, but opening up the box, this will be on the top. Comes pretty well packaged. Packing peanuts, styrofoam. You're gonna get your mount for the reservoir. Go on the side cover of your bike. To start the show, you're gonna have the shock, which comes pretty well wrapped up. Obviously here you're gonna have your reservoir, for your adjustment, for your compression. Then you're gonna have your adjustment for spring rate, if I'm not mistaken. It does have Nitron parts on it. I believe it's a Nitron spring as well. And here you go, star of the show. This is what you're gonna get out the box. Something to note, I got a 13-inch shock for this, but on the eyelet, this is adjustable. So if you're planning to go down the line up to over, there's an adjustment here on the back you could do to obviously lengthen the shock, which is something that definitely drew me to this, as opposed to buying another one. With most people, you have just a standard, a length rather. Then you have to upgrade to a larger one down the line. But this, you could adjust back here, increase the length on the eyelid of the shock. Hopefully the next couple days, maybe next week or so, I'll have another video putting this in. Catch you guys next time.